Hello guys, welcome to a 25th tutorial on H7. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to make someone download your video or all the rest in a website. We are just going to use what we used in our previous video, in our last tutorial, which is the href. Then in this, we are going to insert like folders of video from my local storage, which I'm going to insert this. You can see this are just properties. You know how to find the URL, security. I'll copy that, take it to my code editor, paste it. You can see this corrupted file again, so your eyes need to be sharp to see this corrupted file, so remove it. And don't forget to add the div. Okay, we added the div. We hit our save button again. We'll go to our browser and Google Chrome. You can see why did nothing show, because we forgot to insert what will take us to this place, which I will insert the download more tutorials. Okay, I'll close that. I will hit my save button again. I'll go to my Google Chrome. I'll download my tutorial. You can see now just look at where the cursor is. Just your eye should be where this cursor is. Then when I click a video, your eye should be there. I'll just click a video. You can see it start downloading. Done. You can see it. It just downloaded a video. Because if I click a video that the MD space is big, like this 180 MB, I'll just click it. You can see it's downloading. It's downloading. You can see it. That's how to make someone download a video. That's gonna do it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.